Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels copy link option not showing. So let's start. Alright, so first let's go ahead and let's open up Instagram. Now in here, let's tap on the three dots over here. So here, as we can see, we have an option to share. We have the option to copy the link, to save, or to remix. Now, there are a few videos that doesn't have this option. So what you can do if you want to share that kind of video is you can tap on this airplane icon here and you can scroll. And at the bottom, you will find this option. So you can go ahead and tap on copy the link and your link is copied. Now you can share this to your friend or post it somewhere or do whatever you want to do with the link. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.